Hey everyone, so we have today underwater world cards. There are a lot of cards inside. So today we're gonna see how many cards are there. Let's open the box first. So we have a seal and a crab. I can see tunas, lots of animals. Yeah, so many cards. So all the animals live under the water. Start with the whale. Let's arrange the cards. Whale, seal, crab, and tunis. That's a fish. Um, Hippocampus and clownfish and sea turtle and shrimp and electric eel and latran fish and squid and balloonfish. Okay, let's arrange the cards. What we're gonna do with the cards, we are going to do the matchings. First do arrange, and then we have, oh look, jellyfish, and a dolphin, and the last one is shark. Yes, all the cards has been done, total 15 cards. Okay, so now it's time to match with the card. And so we're gonna start. Let's see which one is first. Okay, so we have first card is shark. Where is the shark? Match. There is the shark. Let's put the shark card on the card. And this is squid. Yes, squid. Let's put the squid on the squid. And let's see the next one. This is seal. Where is the seal card? Yes, right there. Okay, next. So we have a clownfish. Where the clownfish goes? We'll go clownfish on the clownfish. And then whale. Whale goes on the whale card. Match. And this is electric eel. Let's see, where's the electric eel? There you go. The next is shrimp. Purple card. There you go. The next is sea turtle. Where is the sea turtle? There you are. And then hippocampus. Where is the hippocampus card? And then next is crab. There you go, crab. And the next is dolphin. Dolphin goes on the dolphin. Tunis goes on the tunis. And oh, this is a jellyfish. Jellyfish goes on the jellyfish. And the next is balloonfish. The balloonfish goes on the balloonfish. The last one is lanternfish. Let's go on the lanternfish. All done. All matching done. This is underwater world cards. Total 30 playing cards. So we have done with the matching. Now we're gonna pick it up and put them back into the box. Yes, finish time. Let's pick up the shark back into the box. Let's pick up the dolphin, put into the box. Let's pick up the electric eel, put into the box. And then squid back to the box. Yes, and let's see, laternfish back to the box. And then shrimp back to the box. And then jellyfish back to the box. And then clownfish back to the box. And then crab back to the box, and then hippocampus back to the box, and then turtle back to the box, tunis back to the box, and seal back to the curve, and then whale card back to the box. Let's close it. Please subscribe, follow, and like my channel, Kids Wall.